Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your startup volume limit on the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an LX front-wheel drive in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, it's scenario time. It's the Friday before a long weekend, you're all done work, you're on your way home, your best tune comes on the radio, you've got it cranked, you're jamming out, you get home, you turn the car off, you go inside. The next morning, you go to get out, you turn the car on, and boom, the radio is like blaring at you. Well, what we can do is we're gonna head into the 8-inch infotainment screen, and we're gonna either go into setup and hit the sound button in the top left here, or if you were in the radio already, we're gonna hit menu, scroll up a little, and go to sound settings. Then on the left, we're gonna go to system volumes. And then you'll see here at the bottom, just gonna scroll up a little bit, that's the startup volume limit. So when starting the vehicle, it lowers the radio or media volumes if they are higher than the factory set max startup levels. If the vehicle is turned off and on within a certain time period of time, the last volume set is used. So if you've got it like mostly cranked all the way up and you go to start the car, if this is on, it's then gonna lower the volume to a general volume instead of having it blare at you and probably give you a little bit of a fright. So if you want that feature on, you go ahead and touch it, it's check marked on. So next time you turn the car on, it's gonna lower the volume if it was higher than like kind of the vehicle's set maximum without going too high. If you don't like that feature at all, you wanna jam out the next time you get in, then you just make sure that it's turned off, personal preference. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.